Is the best workout the one that you do at 5 a.m.? No. Is it the one that you do at noon? Maybe. How about 9 p.m.? It might depend on what you want to get out of your workout. There's a growing body of research suggesting that the time of day that you exercise might be almost as important as the workout itself. We're just starting to understand why. It turns out our bodies have an internal clock that regulates not only when we sleep, but also when we should be working out. This is part of a larger trend in fitness science that's moving away from just the how to train and toward the when to train, because it turns out that timing your workouts right could double your results. First, a quick refresher on what an internal clock is. All of your major body functions follow a rough 24-hour cycle, including hormone release, digestion, metabolism, sleep, and yes, even exercise. These cycles are controlled by your circadian rhythm, which is generated by a group of around 20,000 neurons in your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This little group of neurons acts like a conductor, using signals like light and temperature to keep your body in sync with the actual 24-hour day. When it comes to exercise, the circadian rhythm may be most important for performance. Studies show that morning people who prefer to work out first thing in the day may burn more fat and have an easier time building muscle than those who prefer to sweat later in the day. On the flip side, studies also show that afternoon workouts may lead to greater increases in strength and power, thanks to higher levels of testosterone and lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Finally, there's evening exercise. Working out late in the day can help you de-stress and improve sleep quality, but only if you finish your workout at least 3 hours before bedtime. Otherwise, the post-workout rush of adrenaline and the body's post-exercise elevation in core body temperature may make it harder to fall asleep. So should you change your workout time based on these findings? Would you shift your workouts if timing made you stronger? If so, there are a few caveats. First, this research is still preliminary, and most of the studies have been done on animals. More research is needed to confirm these findings in humans. Second, this advice is for healthy adults. People with sleep disorders or other health concerns should talk to their doctor before changing their workout times. Finally, your schedule may not be flexible enough to accommodate a morning, noon, and night workout. So pick the time that works best for you and just stick to it. Consistency is key. But if you are able to squeeze in a few workouts at different times of the day, you may be able to fine-tune your results. Like an internal clock, our circadian rhythms all have a slight variation in the time they run. So if you find yourself wide awake at 5 a.m., hitting the gym might be a great way to start your day.